Alright, frying some bangus on my new invention. It's a used oil stove. It runs by anything, any type of oil, used oil, and you have a small blower there that runs into a small transformer, which is like a telephone charger. And here you are, and works just like regular stove. It's homemade welded type stove. The 2023 new invention. And well, the oil is almost hot. You can hear it. And it's got a blue flame there. You can tell. I need to adjust. I need to adjust the flame. There you go. Now it is adjusted. Whoops. I need to fire it up again. Need to fire it up again. Hang on.